The wide variety of laptops on offer these days has meant that the product category has gotten segmented into different niches. You have machines meant for home use with a bunch of entertainment and communications features affordably priced, but relatively low on processing power and speed. On the other end, you have workhorses meant for office use with greater numbers of productivity and security features, but higher placed in terms of pricing too. But what if you need a bit of both? An affordable laptop that helps you tackle all your daily tasks and comes packed with more productivity features than a typical home computer. The HP laptop we are featuring today is one of those machines that fit into this narrower category.
Here we go!
The HP Notebook 15-AY011nr manages to offer a lot of extras while keeping the price comparable to most general-purpose home and small office laptops. One of its highlights is the 1TB 5400 RPM hard drive, which is more space than you'll need for all your documents, important programs, videos, music, photos, and a lot else. This and the 6th generation Intel Core i5-6200U dual-core 2.3 GHz processor supported by an 8GB DDR3L SD RAM ensure that you can multitask and run resource-intensive software easily. Your productivity is further aided by the powerful battery that gives it a long life of up to 7 hours and 15 minutes. And while working on your laptop, you don't have to worry about reliability, as its performance is supposed to be backed up by over 200 tests. The 15-AY011nr scores quite high on other fronts too. Beginning with the looks, the turbo silver color with textured linear grooves gives it a very stylish appearance. You get the full benefit of its Intel Graphics 520 card on the 15.6-inch Full HD SVA anti-glare WLED backlit 1920 by 1080 display. Your movie watching and gaming experience is also enhanced by the DTS Studio sound system, which provides a truly immersive listening experience. For your communication needs, you have an advanced HD camera that captures all details with vibrant clarity, even in low light, while the innovative Snapfish feature lets you enjoy your photos with access from any device. What also makes this laptop stand out is the combined strength of the Windows 10 operating system and HP's support features, offering you a fast, secure, and hassle-free computing experience. Let's check out how the 15-AY011nr scores in the user reviews. It has earned a very respectable average of 3.6 on 5 stars from over 850 reviews, with its powerful processor that allows users to run several programs smoothly being the hands-down winner. The composite value it offers at a very affordable price also seems to have impressed many customers. That's about all we have on the HP Notebook 15-AY011nr for now. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at our reviews of other laptops here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.